For On Gardening, I'm Stan DeFreitas, Mr. Green Thumb. We've talked about earth boxes, and one of the elements that you need to have is enough lime, especially if you're raising tomato plants. But it's true for many other plants as well. Now, you know in this soil we have a real peaty type soil, and that peat moss has a pH of about 4.2. Peat moss normally is either, well, it could be Florida peat, but it's normally either Michigan peat or Canadian peat. And when you have peat moss being very acidic, it tends to be almost too acid for some plants. Now, what do you do with that? Well, you get some dolomite. Now, you could get hydrated lime at your local nursery, but hydrated lime can burn. Dolomitic limestone won't. So typically on an earth box, I would take my dolomite, and there again, like we did our fertilizer, I tend to sprinkle it down through, mostly in the middle, and I use this whole little container of dolomite, and then I'm going to take it and spread it around in the earth box. Now, dolomite is something you don't have to worry about. It's a natural organic material, and it's going to help to sweeten the soil. If you get a soil that's too acid, many times you get into a deficiency, and you can even have blossom end rot on tomatoes because you don't have enough dolomite in the soil. For On Gardening, I'm Stan DeFreitas, Mr. Green Thumb.